Ever heard the story of Bouvet Island? The island is called the most remote place in the world, located in the South Atlantic Ocean, thousands of kilometers from any landmass. In 1964, a scientific expedition discovered something strange. An unmanned rescue boat was stranded on the shore. There are no signs of humans, food supplies, or any traces explaining where the boat came from. What makes you confused, Bouvet Island is surrounded by thick ice, and it is almost impossible for small boats to pass. After the expedition team returned a few years later, the boat simply disappeared without a trace. Until now, the mystery of who left the boat on the most remote island in the world remains unsolved. Come to think of it, who dared to go that far, and what really happened there?